Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is 16th of August, it's 5:30 a.m. in Melbourne, Australia, and it still is 15th of August, 3:30 p.m. in New York and 7:30 p.m. in London. Let's take a look at the market. London and New York session are closed, so I think the market is moving down. It kind of moved back. As you can see, I had a position in oil, a buy position. I don't know if you can see this or not. And I got it stopped out. I took another position. This one is a sell position because the price, as you can see, this big candle broke all three EMAs, and the stochastic is crossed down, and this zero lag MACD moved under zero. So as you can see, when it's above zero, the market trend is moving up. When it's under zero, the market trend is moving down. So every time it crosses and crosses back, you can get into the same position. So currently I have one position in oil. As you can see, this is the oil position I have. Because I moved my stop loss so close to entry, I couldn't move it to break even. I didn't get a chance. But yeah, it's $17 lost on this. Not bad. The bad thing is EURUSD. EURUSD moved back. I had a position. Let's drag this on the chart. Just click on it and drag it on the chart. It shows your open close positions. As you can see, this was my entry and this is my exit. So I lost 118 pips, 120 pips. As you can see, this was the stochastic was crossing up, and this one was getting close to go up, but the market moved back and I got it stopped out. What we have here, we have a, let me show you this. See, this is a high. This doesn't work. Okay, let me try this one. Yeah, this is a high and this is a lower high. When lower high happens in the market, it shows that the market's tendency to move down are stronger than moving up. So we have a high, but this high is lower than the previous high, so we have a lower high, and the market shows that it's gonna move down. At the moment, we just wait for EURUSD to see what happens. Okay, the next positions that I got stopped out, and it's very big loss, is silver. Okay, in silver, if you remember, I had a position, let me drag this again, a buy position on there. If you remember, this is a head and shoulders, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it touched the neckline. Let me close these indicators to show you exactly how it is. So if you remember, this was the neckline and the market moved up. We had a pin bar here, a complete setup. Okay, a very good signal. I got in, but the market turned back and I got stopped out. I had a very big stop, but okay, this thing happened when you stay long enough in the market trading. Yeah, you will see these kind of things. So alright, you just wait for another position. This still is a very good setup, a very good head and shoulders. If it touches down and it's gonna go up, we're gonna get in again. But the good thing, if you look at these, this one was hit the target. This one is, you see, I moved these to break even, so it's $19 loss, gained $30 gain. I got it stopped out. Okay, he hit my stop loss, but my stop loss was above my entry point, so I didn't lose anything on these. That's the power of moving a stop loss to breaking even, at least. Okay, as you can see, these ones I didn't get a chance and I got it stopped out, especially these EURUSD and silver. So if possible and the market moves in your favor, move your stop loss to break even and then continue trading. Okay, let's take a look at some other currency pairs. AUDUSD is very good. It's moving down, so this one I move my stop loss to break even. Okay, you can do that as well. The stochastic is under 20. The zero lag MACD is under 0 and it's going down. Probably we're gonna have a kind of move back, a retracement, but well, it's going very good. USD is getting stronger, and so AUD is gonna drop more. So we stay in this. I moved my target a little bit down. I'm a trend follower. Okay, I just move my stop loss and targets as far as I can. So we have a next one is GBPUSD, which actually dropped. As you can see, this is a small resistance here, so when it drops you can get in. It's not completing my signal entry points, so I don't get in. But if you have this kind of trading, so the market stops here and in small resistance and then breaks the resistance down, if this is your entry signal, you can enter in GBPUSD. It's a little bit late, it broke down a lot. You probably would have a kind of a stop, a pending order under this resistance, and then you would get in automatically. But yeah, still not late. USDJPY is moving up. I have a buy position, as you can see. If the USD gets stronger, this pair is gonna move up. So, and we have a divergence in a stochastic. Okay, this is the divergence that we have in a stochastics. And yeah, market is moving up. It touched this 21 moving average, so let's see what happens. If it breaks this moving average just like here, we're gonna have a strong move upward. But if not, well, we try to move our stop loss. I move it closer to a stop, so if it moves back, we're not gonna lose much. AUDCHF, I had a buy position, but it's moving down, so probably it's not a good time. I probably should have exit this trade. AUDCHF, let me see how much. AUDCHF, where are you? Okay, here, $39, $40. Still not bad. I just wait. But according to my analysis, this zero lag MACD is under 0, so the market trend is gonna be bearish. It's gonna go down. We have this big pin bar here. Big bar. Okay, a big pin bar here, and it shows that the market's not gonna move up. But I just wait. I don't know, maybe I'm hoping. It's not a good thing for a trader that hopes the market moves in his direction, so never do that. You have to trust your systems. All right, this one, it shows that it's gonna move up. I have a buy position and my stop loss is under this pin bar. Oh, maybe tomorrow I look at this again, and if it moves in my favor, I move my stop loss again. This one is not good. Okay, this one probably we're gonna have a good position here. Both of these are trying to cross. Actually, stochastic is crossed at the moment, but the trend is upward, so we don't get in. Canadian Japanese, this one is good actually. It's getting strong to move upward. Let's take a look at weekly. Okay, weekly is moving down, and we have a kind of as you can see, this is stochastic. It just draws the divergence lines itself, so it's a divergence stochastic, and yeah, it's not bad, but the weekly is moving down and the signal is moving up, the daily, and H4 is on top. It's not a good entry point. Probably we should have entered down somewhere around here. Okay, but not good. I don't take this trade. This one is just fluctuating at the moment. Euro AUD. Okay, I have a position here, and I move my stop loss to break even higher. and it still is moving in my favor. So it just like it broke the resistance lines. As you can see, we have a resistance here, just broke up. Hopefully this is a flag. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and yeah, it broke upward, and then hopefully it's gonna move up. This is the weekly chart, and in daily, boom, it's on top of the market. I have actually two positions here. All right, this one's good, looking good so far. EURUSD, nothing, and this one has, yeah, this big pin bar, not entry pin bar, so just we don't trust it. And yeah, that's what I have for today. Just take a look at all these currency pairs, analyze yourself, and analyze them. If you get a good entry signal, just wait. This week's gonna end with this kind of trading. You know, it's just market is fluctuating, not very strong moves, except this GBPUSD and AUDUSD, and of course the USDJPY. The rest are not that strong, especially EURUSD is not moving that strong. So I wait for the next week opening. Next Monday I'm gonna go back and take a look to see what's going on. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I upload daily videos, live signals. As you can see, I get my signals as I'm recording this video, and I enter the market. I move my stop loss, all of them, so you can follow and copy my trades. And yeah, if you have any question, please ask in the comment sections below. I will answer all of them. And thanks for your support, and have a nice week.